So y'all know I wanted to make my own hair growth oil, so I'm at HEB because I seen it on TikTok.
I made hair growth oil for $10. This creator on TikTok, her name is Mendel Reese, and I will actually tag her, but she shared how she grew her hair in 2 years using these 3 products, and I did the same. So I got the aloe vera leaf, virgin olive oil, and some organic rosemary at my local HEB.
Yeah, so I made my way to HEB, y'all. Got me my rosemary, my aloe vera, and then my olive oil. And I was ready to go. I was so excited to make my own oil. I've never done this before. Then I made my way to Dollar Tree so that I could buy a strainer and some mason jars and a spray bottle, of course. This is everything that I used. I also went to the hair store and got that little oil bottle when you like put oil in your hair. I really don't know what the mason jar is for, but in a TikTok video she had one and I just poured the olive oil into there, and then when I was done I poured it into the oil thing that I got from the beauty supply store. So I really don't know what the mason jar is for, y'all. I have no idea. But this is me just taking the rosemary off the branch or the stem, whatever it's called. This is my first time, so this is just everything I did, y'all. Then after that, I saw her cut up an aloe vera leaf. I basically she basically just made like smaller pieces. She sliced it down and then she like sliced it in the middle just to make like smaller pieces. So I used the jar to measure how much I was going to put into the other bottle that also has numbers on it. So I filled it up to a certain milliliter because the bottle also had milliliters on it. So I was able to put the same amount of liters into milliliter into each one so that it wouldn't overfill. So yeah, I put it into the mason jar first, and then once it was measured out, I went ahead and put it into the pot so I could boil it for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then, of course, I let it cool down, but everything is self-explanatory because you can see everything I'm doing. Y'all, I was kind of making a little bit of a mess here. Don't mind me. This is my first time. I was trying to make it look good, but girl, I was making a mess. And I had to clean all that up after. So I wasted some, y'all. I wasted some, but that's okay because I had just enough. That's fine. But yeah, this is the oil back into the jar. And then since I had some extra rosemary and some extra aloe leaf, I wanted to make like a hydrating spray. So I made an oil and a spray. So what I did was just boil some water. I think it was like about 2 cups, maybe a little less than 2 cups. And then I just put the rosemary into the pot. Then I added a little bit of aloe, not a lot of aloe. And then I let it boil for like 10 minutes. And then I let it cool down. And then I put it into the spray bottle. If you made it this far into the video, make sure that you are subscribed and like this video so you can help other people find this video as well. And it also helps me out too. But it's it's just been a thing where I feel like I've been using oils from the hair stores. I just feel like it's really sitting on my head. It's not penetrating, it's not hydrating. My hair just feels greasy and oily. I wanted to feel moisturized and hydrated. So that's why I was like, let me just try to make this myself from home one time, and I probably won't have to make another batch of this for a few months. Um, and it costs just as much as if I was gonna buy my own oil anyway. So I'm really happy I did this, and I can't wait to like see the results from it. My hair already grows fast, but I just want to make sure that it's moisturized and hydrated because I've been really taking care of my hair lately. I haven't really been doing protective styles, but I have been doing a lot of braid outs and just low manipulation hairstyles. Like, I was thinking to myself one day, I was just like, a lot of people with dreads use sprays like this, like just rose water and aloe water, whatever. And I was like, how come we don't use that like on our braids or when we have like protective styles in? And I know it has water, so it might like revert our hair a little bit, but it's still hydrating. So I guess, that's important. But this is the end of the video, you guys. I also had to take my time with this because I was making a mess with this too. But this is the end of the video, y'all. I'm going to let you guys know about a month from now how it came out while I used it on my hair. I'm so excited. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
And ain't you better on the first day? I should've said what's wrong in the first place. I don't, 'cause you always take